Hi, I'm Sari Katz, your skin specialist on A Moment of Zen. Today I'm going to talk to you all about threads. Have you heard of them before? No, not the kind that we put in our clothes, the kind that we put in our faces. Well, threads are absorbable sutures or stitches that we put through the different layers of the skin to provide smoothing, rejuvenating, and lifting effects. It is a non-invasive, minimal downtime procedure that's had a lot of popularity in European and Asian countries. Only recently, it's come over to the United States as one of the most popular non-invasive cosmetic procedures. Why? Well, we've seen celebrities like Bella Hadid use the brow lift thread technique to create more of an open eye, and other celebrities using it for traction of their cheeks, improvement in their smile lines and necklines. So threads have become a great alternative for lifting the skin to surgical outcomes. How does it work? Well, in about a 30 to 45 minute procedure over lunchtime, these small tubes called cannulas help us to introduce the suture into different layers of our tissues of our face where the sutures are left behind. Once the sutures are left behind, they break down or absorb over 4 to 6 months. In their place, they leave collagen production that takes about 12 to 18 months to go away. So that collagen production can give us rejuvenating effects for a year or two. Why is this important? Well, every year, starting in our 20s, we lose about 1 to 2% collagen per year, which is a huge change in our tissues, especially as we get into our 40s and 50s. So this is a great non-invasive alternative. It's not overly expensive. It ranges in the $1,500 to $2,500 range per treatment. It has minimal downtime and minimal scarring. So actually, if you talk to some plastic surgeons out there, they'll say the results are hit or miss. They last about 6 months, not as long as expected if you're looking at the major effect, which is created by the absorbable suture itself. But then in their place, the collagen production to some surgeons can be equated to scar tissue that we see with collagen bundles in trauma. So that scar tissue actually can hinder their surgical outcomes. However, other procedures will be a good adjunct or a good alternative to surgical intervention, like these thread lifts or fillers or tightening devices, so that the non-surgical candidate can have some options for rejuvenating their skin without undergoing the knife. So really, the thread lift community has loved having an alternative for the surgical facelift that serves as a minimal, non-invasive facelift. These are the pros and cons of threads, but I'll let you decide. I'm just keeping you in the know as your skin specialist on A Moment of Zen.